Ready to stake Solana in Exodus? Here's how to do it step by step in just a few minutes. Before staking, go to the official Exodus website and download the desktop app. Open the app and go to Settings, then click Backup. Create a password, confirm it, and click Next. Read the notice about your secret phrase and tick the checkbox. Then write down your secret phrase. It's the only way to recover your wallet. Go to the Wallet tab in the app. Choose Solana, then click Receive. Copy your wallet address and send SOL from your exchange or another wallet. Once you have SOL in your wallet, click on Staking Rewards. Enter the amount of SOL you want to stake and click Stake SOL. Review the staking info and tap Stake SOL. Done. Your SOL is now staked. Go to Overview to check your staking status. Here you'll see how much you've staked and your pending rewards. To unstake your tokens, go to the Wallet tab again. Click on Staking is active, then click Unstake. Review the info and confirm by clicking Unstake SOL. Your SOL will be unstaked after a short cooldown, usually 2 to 4 days. That's it. Your SOL is now working for you. For more guides, check out the rest of our videos.